Hi, this is Jolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow pasture grass seed. Now, if you have a large area or a large field and you have any cattle or horses or goats or any type of livestock, a pasture field is really a good way to sustain your farm. Now, when you're growing your grass seed, the best time to start the seed is in the spring or the fall. You don't want to start it in the heat of the summer or the cold of the winter. The seed will not take it and won't grow much at all. So you can actually work up the soil and start from scratch, or just add the grass seed into the existing grass. So if it's warm out, you want to water really, really well. In the spring and the fall, a lot of time there's a lot of dew on the ground and it's raining. And right after a rain storm is the best time to plant your pasture seed. Now, if it's a smaller area and you just want to have put some pasture seed down, and if you have a large area, it's not very easy to rake it all up. But the best thing you can do before you put some seed down is to rake it real well and add some compost. And then sprinkle the seed very thickly in the area, and then just rake it in again. And then you want to mist it. You don't want a heavy watering, because then it'll just wash the dirt and the seed away. And as soon as the soil's really, really moist, you can water a little deeper and a little stronger, and it can sustain itself. But it's very easy to grow your own pasture grass.